Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin Point. I'm your friend Omar bin Hussain. Today we are going to start the second lesson of HSK 2. And just like our previous lesson, this lesson will have two sections. In section 1, we will decompose Chinese characters and we will learn new Chinese words. And in section 2, we will practice listening and reading Chinese. Let's start our first section.
要
Means to want or to ask for. Let's decompose it. It is very simple character. It has two components, one at the top and the second one at the bottom. The top one is this one and the bottom one is over here. This one is actually she, which means west, and it is not the actual form of she, rather it is short variant of this she. While this bottom character or this one is nữ, which means woman or girl.
新
Xin, which means new. Let's simplify it. We can decompose this character into its left and right characters. The left character is Qin, which means relatives or parents, while the right character is Jin, which means 500 gram approximately. We can simplify these characters further. The top one, this middle one, and this bottom one. So the top, middle, and the bottom. This one is li, which means to stand or let's stand. This one is yi, which means single or one. This one is xiao, which means small. Now let's decompose this one. The outer one is over here and the inner one is actually the shorter variant of this xia, which means down. This one is chang, which means factory, and this one is xia, which means down. So both of these characters are making this one and it is present on right side, while these three characters are making this one and it is present at left side.
他
Ta, which means it. It is generally used for non-living items. Let's decompose it. It is very simple character. The top character is over here and the bottom character is over here. This one is mian, which means roof, and this one is bi, spoon or ladle. Both of these characters are going to make this tha.
眼睛
Eyes. Let's simplify this one. On left side and on right side. The left side is yan, which means eye or eyelet, and the right character is jing, which means eyeball. So both of these characters portray the meaning of eyes. Let's divide this character further. On left side, on right side. The left side is mu, which means eye, and the right one is gun, which means tough. Let's divide this one. Left side, right side. Left side is again mu, which means eye, while this one is qing, which means natural color or young. This one can further be divided, and I think you can divide it by yourself. The top one and the bottom one. So both of these characters, this one and this one, are starting from mu, representing I. So this one is representing I and this one is representing I. So you can get the idea that this character is representing I's. Let's talk about some radicals. Today we will learn about this radical. It is zoo. This radical is actually represents the meaning of feet. Whenever this radical or this character is present in any other character, it will have some meaning which are related to someone's feet. For example, paw, to run. This is radical. Running is with the help of your feet. So this radical is representing that meaning. The action of your feet. Thi, to kick. On left side, this radical is present to represent the action of someone's feet. Thi, to kick. Okay. The second radical that we will learn today is wang, which is known as slanting jade radical, and it is related to jade. Now, let's summarize what we have learned today. These are characters, pinyin, and their meaning. Please do not look at these pinyin and meanings, rather just try to remember it. The two characters, the top one, bottom one, yao. The two characters, left side and right side, shin, very simple, tha, which means it, and this character is starting from wu. This is starting from wu, which means eyes. Yanjing, zu, and wang, the radical related to feet and the radical related to jade. So that's all about our section 1. Let's start section 2. The basic purpose of this section is to practice listening and reading Chinese. So first of all, you will be given a paragraph. You have to read it. You have to try to read it, and then you have to listen it. And in second step, we will read it with pinyin and we will listen it. And at third step, we will translate it. Okay, let's start it.
我们要不要买几个新的椅子？
好啊。什么时候去买？
明天下午怎么样？你明天几点能回来
3点多。
We desire or not desire, seek or not seek, to buy a few new chairs. Literal meaning is we seek or not seek to buy few new chairs, and in other words, he want to ask that don't you think we should buy some new chairs? Yes. What time to go to buy? The literal meaning is yes, what time to go to buy? Or in other words, when shall we go to buy? Tomorrow afternoon. How about? Literal meaning is how about tomorrow afternoon? You tomorrow, which time be able to come back? Literal meaning is you tomorrow, which time will be able to come back? When will you be back? Tomorrow. 3点多 3 o'clock after. So after 3 o'clock. Let's read another paragraph.
桌子下面有个猫，
那是我的猫，它叫花花。
它很漂亮。
是呀，我觉得它的眼睛最漂亮。
它多大了？
6个多月。
Now read it with opinions.
桌子下面有个猫。桌子下面有个猫。
Table under have cat. So under the table there is a cat. That is my cat. It is called Hua Hua. It's my cat Hua Hua. It very beautiful. It is very beautiful. Yes, I think we studied in previous lesson. Its eyes we studied today. Extremely beautiful. So I think its eyes extremely beautiful. So yes, I think it has the most beautiful eyes. It totala. It means how old it is. 6 more than to more than yue means month. So more than 6 months. So that's all about our today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm hoping that you will join me in my next class. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much.